The Wilmington Waterfront Development Program is designed to provide the community with outdoor spaces which will increase economic opportunities by connecting downtown Wilmington with its historic waterfront, while also creating community amenities that separate the daily operations of a working port and the surrounding community of Wilmington. As a key segment in this development, the Wilmington Waterfront Promenade will span 1,300 linear feet of waterfront, covering a total of 9 acres. This includes 3 acres of green space, 3 acres of hardscape and a plaza, and 3 acres to include parking courts, the realigned street, tidal steps, and key infrastructure elements. Construction on the Wilmington Waterfront Promenade project began in November 2020, and the project is just past the halfway point on the construction timeline, with approximately 12 months to go before its completion in early 2023. Some important construction milestones that have already been completed include the demolition of a large DWP tank, the creation of a soil foundation for the park, playground, and plaza features, partial completion of the new picnic pier with new pilings and formwork for the new public dock, the realignment of Water Street, and finally, it isn't as visible as some of the other construction milestones, but a significant amount of utility infrastructures have already been completed. This infrastructure creates a crucial backbone not only for this development, but future public developments. Over the next 12 months, from here to project completion, the following construction milestones will be achieved: creation of a new plaza right outside Banning's Landing, completion of the picnic pier and new public dock in front of Banning's Landing, a play area, seating and viewing areas with swing benches and green space, walking and bike paths, 2 parking courts, public amenities and restrooms. And one of the most prominent design features of this development is the Tidal Steps, a series of large stones strategically placed to create a rocky shore emerging from the water, bridging the gap between the working harbor and the promenade, creating space for visitors to interact close to the water's edge. As we head into the final stretch of this construction project, it is important to realize that this project has been in the works for over a decade. The port has facilitated many public meetings and has received significant public input on the project concepts and design elements. The progress that we see today is a direct result of the port's partnership with both the community and our stakeholders. We hope you are as excited as we are to watch our Wilmington Waterfront Promenade come to life. For project updates, please visit lawaterfront.org.